Imagine this island is a network. Networks connect internet users to the global internet. This is a router. It is in charge of forwarding data to and from its network. Not like your home router, think much, much bigger. These are devices in the network. These devices can be computers, cell phones, smart TVs, etc. Really any device that connects to the internet. This is data. Data is all sorts of information. Emails, streaming, social media posts, or anything you see when you browse the web. For this data to get from this device to another, it's sent through the regional router, then sent along routing paths connecting to other networks. For the internet to work, all these pieces have to be connected. It's all about internet connectivity. This is the internet, a network of networks. Now let's learn how IODA measures internet connectivity. Routing announcements. Border Gateway Protocol is a signal IODA uses to monitor internet connectivity. Routers guide data across networks. But how do they know which networks to send their data to? They use BGP. Routers use Border Gateway Protocol to announce the addresses to which they will forward data. Network B has received a routing announcement from Network A. Network A has received a routing announcement from Network B. With routing announcements, routers know where to send data. These pathways are routing paths. If a network stops sending routing announcements, these paths are lost, and it could mean that Network C has lost connectivity to the internet. IODA measures BGP by monitoring these routing announcements. Network A is active. Routing announcements are detected between Network A and Network B. Network C is inactive. No routing announcements are detected. Active probing. Let's learn about active probing, another signal that IODA uses to measure internet connectivity. Active probing looks at the status of a network's devices. The status is pretty simple. Devices are either active or inactive. IODA measures active probing by monitoring these devices' status. IODA sends out a probe and waits for a response. This network is connected. Some devices are active and responding to IODA's probes. IODA determines that Network A is connected. This network is disconnected. All devices are inactive with no response to IODA's probes. IODA determines that Network C is disconnected. Telescope. Let's learn about telescope, another signal that IODA uses to measure internet connectivity. Telescope looks at unsolicited background traffic, a sort of internet pollution. This traffic or pollution builds with internet activity, making it an indicator of a network's connectivity. Even though this internet pollution is discovered in unused network space, it is marked by the network it came from. IODA measures telescope by checking how much internet pollution is present. Network A is active. When IODA measures a typical amount of internet pollution, we can determine that network A is connected to the global internet. This network is inactive. When IODA measures abnormally low amount of internet pollution, we can determine the network may not be connected to the global internet.